have SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So as you can see right now, I have like default one volume panel, but you can actually customize it if you download the app Volume Styles from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start, grant accessibility services permissions. Then tap No Thank You, and here you can change to one of these pre-installed styles like the iOS one, Android 12, and other ones. You can create your own styles, you can customize these default ones, so have a lot of different features. My personal favorite volume style is this one, emoji one. Just look at it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.